it's John Costa, Mesa R&D. Today we have a big block Chevy head on the seat and guide machine, and we've got a broken off stud that we need to remove. And we're going to start this process by spraying a little bit of penetrating oil in there. We'll let that set for a little bit, and then we're going to take a drill bit and drill all the way through the broken bolt. It's important that you drill all the way through the bolt, not just halfway through, because that relieves the pressure on the side of the threads. Alright, I've let this set for about 15 minutes, and now we're going to start the drilling process. You want to use a short drill bit, and when you start to drill, do it nice and easy. When you start getting down towards the bottom of the bolt, slow up your pressure and break it on through. Alright, we're going to move this out of the way. I'm going to take and squirt a little penetrating oil down here. We're going to let that set for another 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll go about getting the bolt out. Alright, that's set for a few minutes. Now we're going to take and put our easy out down in here. Drive it in place, and then we'll take and use the T-handle to get this out. Alright, here's our T-handle. And as you can see, our broken bolt comes right out. It's really important that when you take these out that you get the hole drilled in the middle of the bolt, and don't put too much pressure on this, because if you do, it's going to break off. If you have any other questions about broken bolt removal, give me a call here at Costa Mesa R&D. We'll see you soon.